Namaskar. Today we are going to do a unique chaat preparation called cone chaat. The ingredients required for cone chaat are save, green peas, red chili powder, tomatoes, onions, chopped green chilies, semolina, baking powder, refined flour or whole wheat flour, cumin powder, curd, coriander. For the cone chaat, first we'll prepare the cone. We'll prepare a dough to make the cones. We'll start by adding whole wheat flour, little bit of semolina, salt, baking powder, 2 to 3 grams, some curd, and then we'll mix it up to make a hard dough by adding little bit of water. You have to prepare a hard dough. Once the dough is properly kneaded, we will make them into small balls. Now we'll roll the dough into a round shape. Now we'll cut it into 4 equal pieces. Then one piece we will take a cone shaped mold, or you can prepare your own mold by using some paper. Once the mold is prepared, just roll the dough on the mold. Now we'll put this for baking. The cones are now properly baked. Now we'll remove these cones into a plate. Now we'll make the filling for the cones. Now little bit of peanut oil, some chopped onions, now add some chopped chilies, green peas, boiled green peas, now we'll add some chili powder, some cumin powder, some salt, some yogurt, a little bit of oil, water. Fill up some shot glasses with some salad. Salad can be of your choice, either cabbage or iceberg lettuce or shredded onions and some bell peppers. Now we'll fill up the cones with the green peas stuffing. chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, garnish it with some save, and some chopped coriander.